welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you my 5/8 count shuffle choreo to Beats for the Underground by Mal P. Let's get into it. So you guys can follow along. So my right is your right, my left is your left. I'll turn around and give you guys details from the front, but I feel like this is the preferred way of learning. So here the lyrics go. Space to the rhythm, move to the sound, oh we da beats from the underground. Something like that. Cool? So we're gonna go jumping onto that right foot and we're gonna scoop with the left. Go ahead and just give me this little scoop left, scoop right. Ha, ha. I want that foot to be like scooping back, coming up, scooping back, coming up. When we add in the hop, I'm going to hop onto my right as I scoop that left, ha, and then I'm going to scoop onto my left, scooping my right. So it should go ha, ha. I want it to feel very like this vibe, but ha, ha, low. Let me show you guys from the front. We're going ha, ha, and I want those arms to be down, down. Cool? So this is gonna go 1, 2, scoop 1, 2. We're gonna do a little out, in, out, V step to the right, V, in, V. So I'm just transitioning my weight from my heels to my toes to my heels. Little T-step with that extra foot. Cool? So we have 1, 2, we have 3 and 4. On 3 and 4, my arms are going 3 and 4. Let me show you guys from the front. Arms are going up and down. And I want a little like style, a little personality with that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Space to the rhythm, move to the sound. So we're moved to the sound on my little ha, ha, ha. It says, oh, something beats from the underground. We're gonna do a little scoop right. So you're gonna be kicking that left foot. We're gonna scoop that right foot. Then we're gonna step onto it. We're gonna kick that right foot. And I want you guys to land cross to the front. This is gonna be how you're gonna start the spin. We're gonna unwind your feet to the front, and I want those arms in the T. So the momentum that's gonna get you into that spin is gonna be this little kick, ha, scoop, turn to the front. The way I'm getting around in that turn, scooping, chugging that foot, stepping, kicking this foot to bring my feet across to the front, and then all I'm doing is unwinding from there. Arms can do whatever. I feel like it's easier, ha, ha, if they're in a T, and then you're ready for that first running man on 1. Cool? Let's go from the top. 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Scoop 5. Kick. Ha. Turn. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. 1, 2 and 4. Scoop 5. Kick 6. Turn 7, 8. And I want that head to hit the front on 7 when you're crossed, so you can unwind your head finds the front. Cool? So that's first 8 count. Dee da da dee, ba ba da da, ha da da dee da da ba ba hoo. That's about tempo.
Space to the rhythm, moves to the sound. Oh, but yo, cause I make the beats for the underground. Cause I make the beats for the underground.
Notice that musicality. Space to the dee, ba ba da da, ha da da ba ba da 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 is the vibe. Cool? So moving on from there, we just did kick 5, kick 6, cross 7, open 8, to the front 8. We're gonna go of this little groove, running man, V step reverse, running man, V step reverse. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna start running man on the right running man to a left running man. I want that to hit like front, but diagonal fronts. So like a ha, ha. Really good in that groovy pocket. We have right, left. We have open V step and reverse kick. So all together, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and to bring you to that running man on the left, taking the flow back, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Same thing, both sides. Running man, B-step, ha. Running man, B-step, ha. When I'm saying that B-step, it's that transitional point, ha, ha, when we're opening. Shifting my weight onto that right foot to reverse kick. Notice how my weight goes, ha, reverse kick. Running man, ha, reverse kick. Yeah? Keeping that foot and that weight right underneath me. So we have 1, 2, 3, and ha, 5, 6, 7, and ha. Yeah? Adding that from the top, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, a 3, and kick. 5, 6, a 7, and kick. Yeah? Moving on, we're going to drop that foot down. 1, my weight is on that back foot so I can slide the front. We're going 1, 2. I want you guys to point at that foot. 1, 2. Kind of like, yeah, I did that. Ha. 1, 2. Then we're going to reverse twice. 3, 4. Toe or heel preference. I want it to hit open and front. So it's going, let me show you those arms. Ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. On that 3, 4, when we're hitting open front reverse tees, I want a little beats from the underground. 1, 2, ha, ha. Play with the swag there. I'm kind of going like, if I had like my headphones on and I was like DJing in my like visual space, that's what it would look like. Ha, ha, T, T. Yeah? 1, 2, reverse, reverse. So left hand is scratching, I think it would be. Right hand is on your right ear. 1, 2, reverse, reverse. Now I'm going to pick up my weight and switch it left, right, ha, ha, to come across. My weight is in my front foot on that, so I just went reverse, reverse, left, right, open, scissor from the left to the right on that right foot. We have ha, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 7, and we're gonna scoop 8, jumping off of that left foot, ha. And you're gonna hear a little like pause in the music on that 7 and 8 sound. So let's go back from the top and then connect it with music. So connecting it with counts. 5, 6, jumping goes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run. 1, 2, a 3, and kick it. 5, 6, 7, and kick it. Line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool. Let's hit that with music.
Slave to the rhythm, moves to the sound. I'll be young cause I make the beats for the underground. 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 Cause I make the beats for the.
So we just did 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're gonna come back into a T-step from that kick up. We're going T-step, T-step, micro bounce, running man. T-step, T-step, micro bounce, running man. Same flow from right to left. So we just scooped 8, and we're gonna bring that foot back to go T-step, open your T-step, micro bounce to bring that foot under you, running man. Then we're going T-step, T-step, micro bounce, running man. So we have T-step, T-step, ha, ha, T-step, T-step, ha, ha. And I really want that flow because we're hitting that back, back, deep, deep, ha. Musicality is going, cause I got the beats from the underground, running man. Cause I got the beats from the underground, running man. And you can kind of use that T-step flow to let your back into it and kind of give it an overall groove. Cool? So that goes ha, ha, da 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 ha, da 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 ha. from here, we're gonna come last 8 count. Weight goes onto that front foot, and we're going left, slide the right, switch the left to the right, ha ha, slide. So let's just practice this transition really quick. So we just went running man, we're gonna hop he at the same time. Weight goes down, ha, slide, left, right, slide, and then we're gonna go right, left into the next part. So let's just hit this glide really quick. Right, left, slide it open. Left, right, slide it open. Your weight is always gonna be on that front foot. So if I'm coming here, D, D, I can slide it. Ha, ha, slide, da, da, slide, da, da, slide. That front foot, weight can be on the ball of your foot here, or you can have your toe down here if you're brave. Don't lose a toenail, whatever your vibe is, yeah? So that comes after the little rock. Ha, ha, da, running man, da, da, running man. 1, 2, 3, 4. From that 3, 4, we're gonna keep that same momentum going to go and 5, right, left, and 5. As I go into this step over position, my arms are coming up, over, like I'm going underground. Or if you're like pushing off, D, D, ha. And that goes with your feet. So it should go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Down to 6. Cool? From the back, we just did ha, ha, running man. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let's bring our feet together to go down 6. Going underground. We're gonna come up 7, clap 8. That little turn, what's gonna help you go from he, is this plie here, dropping down, up. My momentum is dropping into my knees. We should bounce off, keep that core tight, and up. So we just went last 8 count, and a 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, clap it 8. And that's kind of the speed. Sweet? Let's add it all together. From the top with counts, we have scooping first. 5, 6, 7, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Spot your head. Running man, open, reverse. Running man, open, reverse, slide. 1, 2, D, J, and a ha, D, up, throw it, back, T step, right, go bounce, running man, ha, D, da, da, da. 1, glide, 2, 3, glide, 4, and the underground, scoop, clap. Let's try music, you guys got it. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sleep to the rhythm, moves to the sound. I'll be young cause I make the beats for the underground. 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 Cause I make the beats for the Cause I make the beats for the underground. Cause I make the beats for the underground. Cause I make the beats for the underground. Cause I make the beats for the
Woo! Okay, good job guys. I hope that is feeling amazing. Take it at your own pace. Choreography tip that I can leave you with is drilling those fundamentals until they become like second nature in your body, so that you can really just play with the flow and performance that you're giving the whole time, as well as embodying the song. I wanted to talk through some details really quick, just facing the front, so you guys can see kind of the flow that I have, and I'll just make notes along the way. So we have scoop, scoop, ha, ha, ha. So we're going scoop right, scoop left, out, in, out, out, in, out with my feet, weight centered in that. Then we're going kick, push with that arm, kick, scoop, cross to the front to go running man. I'm pulling that arm up. Running man, open and scoop. Running man, open and scoop. Slide, ha, reverse, reverse. Right, left. So you go 7 and ha. Whatever arms on them is fine. 7 and ha. Back, right into that T-step. 1, 2, 3, and running man, ha, ha, D, D, ha. That goes straight into this glide. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. I hope that answers any questions that you guys may have. If you have any questions or details, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to answer them. Thank you guys so much for wanting to learn this dance and showing me so much love on my Instagram and TikTok when I posted it. I always love dancing with you guys. It inspires me so much. So there you go. Let me know if you guys like learning it, if you want more tutorials like this on my YouTube. Love you guys so much.